Hey, what's up, banda? I'm your friend Mario Medina from Hotel Las Rocas Resort and Spa. And this moment, Baja Window to the South make a traditional ponche for New Year's. And that one is the ingredients. It's super easy to make. And I have the first one, I have a tamarind, sugar cane, I have guava, I have dry plums, tejocote, apples, cinnamon sticks, hibiscus, and brown sugar or piloncillo, Mexican brown sugar. And I cut that one in quarters. Okay. It's super easy. You cut it quarters. You cut in half the guava, and the tejocote you cut it in half. After that, you put in each basket. You need like 1 kilo guava, 1 kilo apples, 1 kilo tejocote, like 200 grams dry plums, three sticks of cinnamon, hibiscus like 200 grams, 2 pieces of piloncillo or brown sugar, 1 kilo guava, like half a kilo tamarind, and 1 kilo sugar cane. So let's go to see. Let's go to put all these ingredients in the pot. We watered like at least like 2 gallons, and it's easy to do it. The first one, hey, follow me. So I cut every single item in quarters like apples. The first one, you put the apples. Now you put the brown sugar. So now you put a guava, sugar cane, tamarind, 3 sticks cinnamon, 200 grams hibiscus, you put a tejocote, and you put dry plums. So now, you leave there for 45 minutes boiling and waiting for 45 minutes, and after that you can drink an amazing traditional ponche. It's a traditional Mexican ponche. You never tried that one before, you need to try with mezcal or tequila. It's amazing. Okay, after 45 minutes, banda, ya está nuestro Mexican ponche. It's ready. Boiling water, 45 minutes. You mix it up, all the ingredients: apples, tejocote, sugar cane, Jamaica, hibiscus, guava, Mexican brown sugar, and sugar cane. So let's go to try it. Don't forget, boiling for 45 minutes. All the fruit, mix it up, and the mezcal in the end, and try it. It's really, really good. If you want to put extra sugar, you can add regular sugar, brown sugar, cinnamon, honey. So you can add any candy and you ponche. It's amazing. With mezcal o tequila too. Sabor. Los esperamos en la próxima.